Welcome to Roanet. Today we are diving into the world of sustainable technology with an in-depth review of Fairphone 5. Let's find out if this Dutch electronic manufacturer, not as popular as Samsung or Apple, but still doing great in this sector, can hold its own in a competitive market. First up, sustainability. Fairphone emphasizes the use of recycled material and ethically sourced components. The back cover, for instance, is made from 100% recycled plastic, and the phone incorporates fair trade gold, conflict-free tin and tungsten, and responsibly sourced cobalt. Fairphone is committed to reduce its environmental footprint and improving work conditions in supply chain. This is the phone you can feel good about owning. Now let's talk about one of the standout features of Fairphone 5, its repairability. The Fairphone 5 is designed with modular build, making it incredibly easy to repair. Need to replace the battery? It's a simple process that takes just a few minutes. Cracked screen? You can just swap it without needing any specialized tool. So this is the most interesting factor about this Fairphone 5. This design philosophy not only extends the phone's lifespan but also helps to combat electronic waste. Fairphone even offers a spare part shop where you can purchase individual components. Moving to the software, the Fairphone 5 runs on Android 13 with clean and minimal interface. Fairphone promises long-term software support for 5 Android updates, including security updates till 2031, which is like great thing for like smartphone brand which is not that popular. This commitment ensures your phone stays secure and functional for years to come. Plus, if you are into custom ROMs, Fairphone encourages the use of alternating operating system, giving you the freedom to customize your experience. Now let's talk about specs. The Fairphone 5 might not compete with the latest flagship models, but still it offers a solid mid-range performance. It features the unique Qualcomm QC-M6490 octa-core processor, and you can compare its performance with Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor. This phone comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. And according to the price, I was expecting 512 GB or like in 1 TB. Now let's talk about display. It comes with 6.4-inch dynamic OLED screen, stunning picture quality with super smooth motion performance, bright and vibrant even in direct sunlight, with durable Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The camera setup is quite interesting. It comes with 50 megapixel dual lens in the rear, from which you can click like some amazing photos, ultra wide macro shots, and can record in 4K. And it also has some autofocus feature which works really well. Again, in the front you also get another 50 megapixel sensor, which is like quite good for selfies and night portraits. Now let's talk about battery. It comes with 4200 mAh battery, which you can charge 50% within 20 minutes. That is amazing and that is super fast. But that's not all. Actually, it also comes with an extra battery because this phone gets a removable battery. So you can just replace the battery with the extra battery given in the box. And like within seconds, you get 100% charge phone. So now you don't need to carry a power bank in your pocket or in your bag, because that's an interesting feature. The Fairphone 5 performance is admirable in everyday tasks, from browsing the web and social media to streaming videos and light gaming. We can say like, yeah, light gaming is like perfect thing like to explain the performance. The camera delivers decent photos and battery life easily lasts a full day with moderate usage. Finally, let's highlight Fairphone's commitment to ethical practices. The company goes beyond just making a phone. They are pushing for industry-wide change. Fairphone's initiative includes improving workers' conditions in their supply chain, promoting fair labor practices, and investing in recycling programs. It is refreshing to see a tech company take social and environmental responsibilities so seriously. So, is the Fairphone 5 is the right choice for you? If you are looking for a phone that balances decent performance with unparalleled repairability and ethical production, the Fairphone 5 is fantastic option. It may not have like all the bells and whistles of flagship devices, but its sustainability and fairness making its compelling device. Thanks for watching, and if you find this review helpful and interesting, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and eco-friendly tips. Until next time, take care.